through the beginner course, I taught you all the basics. I also made a video where I showed you all the tools you need to be a successful Forex trader, where I talked about MT4, MT5, where I talked about TradingView, where I talked about Forex Factory and the likes. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to easily start a Forex trading career in a few minutes. I'll be taking you through how to set up a brokerage account, how to place your first trade. So the most important thing you'll be learning from today's video is how to place your first trade as a Forex trader, as a beginner Forex trader. How to set a stop loss, your take profit, how to key in your lot size, how to enter, as well as how to also exit your trading position. Like I've always said, you cannot be a Forex trader without a trusted and a reliable broker. So in my description, you see a link which says recommended Forex broker. Just click on that link and it will take you to the website of my recommended broker, so you can actually create your brokerage account as well as your trading account and then start your trading journey from there. If you click on that link, it takes you to a website like this, something exactly like this, where you can easily just register. So you just click on register, then it opens where you actually have to sign in and then create your account for you. So you first need to enter your country of residence. I'm gonna key in Ghana as my country of residence. I enter the email address, then I also enter my password. I just hit continue to create my trading account. So remember, like I said, we have various trading platforms, MT4, MT5. Excellence also has its own trading platform where you can also do analysis from. I'll be making a subsequent video to also explain to you how to use this platform easily. But for now, you want to actually create your real account or your demo account. So you first just click on either one of them, either real or demo. So let's click on real. So it takes us to the personal area. Your personal area is like your personal dashboard where you can have all your accounts. You can verify your account. You can do everything. So you have all the various means of deposits. There's USDT, there's bank card, there's Bitcoin, Binance Pay, mobile money, Perfect Money, Neteller, Skrill, all of them. Whichever one works for you, you can just see the various rules under them. Then you just use them to easily make your deposit or your withdrawal as well. And then one more thing is that what platform you use to make your deposit is where you can actually withdraw from. Now you want to come to accounts, my accounts. So once you come to my accounts, you want to create your MT4 and then MT5 account. So anytime you create a brokerage account with Excellence, they automatically give you a real account and then a demo account. They open one for you. So you first want to open your own real account. So you just come to open real account. You have standard, we have pro, we have raw spread. They all have different minimum deposits. So if you are new and you normally trade less than $500, it means that the standard account is the best for you. So you click on standard, then you hit continue. You can choose to either open a real account or a demo account. So now let's say we are opening a real account. Remember the leverage. If you don't understand leverage, just go back and watch my introduction to Forex trading video. For all my mentees, I recommend minus to 500. Then I also have my currency. Account currency is in United States dollars. You can actually use any currency you want. If you are from Ghana, you can also easily find your local currency and then trade your Ghana cedi. Trade in your Ghana cedi. So let's say in this case, I want to use my Ghana cedi as my account currency. So I have my Ghana cedi as my account currency. I want to enter my name here. So I simply just type KOMMONFOREX as the account nickname. Then I enter my password as well. Then I simply just hit create. I also open another demo account because I also want to practice on my demo. So I come to demo, same leverage, 1:500. Starting balance, let's say I want to make it $500. Account nickname, let's maintain the same KOMMONFOREX. Simply just enter our password and we create account. So once you do that, you realize that your account is pending. We have our real account here and we have our demo account, which is what pending currently. Once it's done creating, you see the balance appear. Then there's another thing you also want to do. You also want to easily just make sure you have the Excellence app on your phone as well. So I just hit my app store, then I just type Excellence Trade. So once I hit Excellence Trade, I simply just come and then log in with a new account I just created. Once I hit sign in, I have my accounts now simply just showing up automatic here. I have my real account. I come to my demo. You can see the $500 demo account we just created. This here MT5. The real account you also created. You also want to make sure you have your MT4 or your MT5. I'm going to be using MT5 for this demonstration because it's actually easy to use. So once we open our MT5, we want to log in any of the accounts we created. So we come back to our Excellence website and then we find the various login details we need to log in. Simply just come to the settings of your account. You select account information. You need your server name, your MT4 login, as well as your password. So now we just come to new account on our MT5. We have Excellence Technologies. Search for Excellence. You select it. You enter the server name. So our server name is MT5 Real. We select that. We enter the password. You can see we have our login here as well, 135. So we just enter that same number here as our login. Then we enter the password as well. Then we just hit login. Now we also want to do the same for our real account. We also want to make sure we have that one as well registered on our MT5. So we come to real, we come back to the settings of that account, then we go to account information, then we do the same process again. New account is Excellence Technology, so we want to search for the server name. Our server name is Excellence MT5 Real 2. So you just scroll, you look for Real 2. We have Excellence MT5 Real 2 here. We just select MT5 Real 2. We enter the login, we enter the password as well. To first make your deposit, your account needs to be verified first before you can actually make a deposit on your real or your live account. So what you want to do now is you want to come to your Excellence, come to the profile at the bottom right. They tell you your profile is unverified, so you want to complete verification. So you complete your verification, you verify your phone number, you verify your email, as well as your identity, and then your residence as well. So it's just like creating a bank account. You know, normally if you're creating a bank account, they normally want to have your phone number, your email address. They also want you to verify your ID, which is why you use a valid national ID like your Ghana card, like a voter's ID, passport, driver's license, and the likes. These are what you need to verify your identity. So just take your time and then complete this verification process. Last thing you also need to verify is also your residence. It's very easy for you to verify your residence with your bank statement. So make sure whatever address you have on your bank statement is what you key in as your place of residence. Once you're able to go through this verification process, the next thing you want to do now is you want to actually deposit. Just hit deposit. Then you can either use your bank card, your mobile money, whatever. So if you want to use your mobile money to deposit, you need to make sure you're verified first. Like I said, once you've completed your verification, you can now simply deposit. Now that we're actually done the whole verification process, what we need now is to actually take our trades. We now go to our MT5, our $500 demo account to just take you through the process of actually taking your trades. I have an NZD card trade currently. I'm in a sell position. We have our stop loss, we have our TP1, TP2, and then we have the entry price as well. If you want to add currency pairs to your watch list, so basically on your MT5, you have your quotes where you have your currency pairs at the bottom. You have your charts where you view your chart to see how it's doing. You have your trade, which is your terminal. History shows whatever deposits or withdrawals you've made, whatever profits or losses you've made is actually shown in your history or your transaction history. Then the settings is where you have your various accounts and then all that. So you first come to your quotes and then you make sure that you have all the currency pairs you need to trade. So let's say now I want to add a few pairs to just show you how I add these few pairs. So I simply just go to my search, I look for Forex group, then I just add whatever pairs I want to trade. Once I add my various pairs, I want to come back to my quotes. You realize every single pair I've added is actually in my quotes here. So now let's go to our NZD card. If you want to actually take any trade, when you come to your chart, simply just tap on the screen. It gives you options, trade indicators. So I just go to trade. Once I go to trade, it takes me to the terminal where I key in the details I want to use to trade. You remember what I said in the beginner video. What you need when you're taking your trades is your lot size, your take profit, as well as your stop loss. So I enter my lot size. Because it's a $500 account, I recommend this 0.05 as the lot size. I enter the stop loss, which you have on the signal layer, 0.8205. Enter the take profit. Once I have my stop loss, I have my take profit. I simply just sell by market. Once I sell, my trade has been executed. I come back to the chart, you see the take profit here, the stop loss is also up there. I come to my terminal, you can see I have a running trade. It means that we've sold this position hoping it goes in our favor. So if it hits our take profit, the trade will close automatically. If it hits our stop loss as well, the trade will close automatically. We also need to know you can easily close your trades manually. So you can easily close your own trades yourself by just swiping on your trading position, and then you have some 3 dots here, which helps you take action on any running trading position you have. So you realize that the 3 dots brings us to where we have close position, modify position, trade, chart, and then bulk operations. Bulk operations is like when you have a lot of trading positions and you want to close all your positions at once. That's what we mean by bulk operations. As you can see, we have 2 take profits. So if you want to actually navigate your way through this, you can easily just take another trade and then just give it another take profit, but with the same stop loss. So we come back to our plus. It takes us back to the same NZD card terminal. We enter our stop loss. We enter the second take profit here. Then we just sell by market. If you want to keep adding positions, you simply just click on this plus. Then you sell. You also click on this plus and you sell. And then one more thing is that you can also easily just take your trade first before you come and set your take profits and then your stop loss. So you realize that these running trades, the first 2 positions, we have our take profits and stop loss there. But the last 2 we don't. So just tap on the running trade. You come to modify position. If you modify, it means that you can easily come and make changes to your stop loss or take profits. The various trades we already have, you can easily come and modify and then make changes to your stop loss or take profits. It's all up to you. We've taken our trades. We've seen how to set our stop loss, take profits, lot size, how to buy, how to sell. Now, an easy thing you also want to do is how to just close your trades. Now on MT5, there's a short way you can easily just close all your trading positions and then make everything as simple as possible. So you first want to make sure one-click trading is activated by just tapping on the three dots up here and then activating one-click trading. Now, what do you want to do next? You just swipe on any single one of them. You can close just that position, or you can come to bulk operations. So if you want to close just that position, you just hit close position. If you want to close all your positions, same process, three dots, then you come to bulk operations. So once you hit bulk operations, you realize that you can easily close all your positions, all your losing positions, all your sell. You can select, you can close, you can make any bulk operation you want. So now let's say we are trying to close all positions. Once you hit close all positions, instantly everything closes. There are also instances where the market might be going very fast and you want to actually jump in on the trade before you come and set your stop loss or your take profits. There's an icon on the top right, which is a one-click trading icon. Once you hit on that icon, you can easily just sell. As many times as I hit it, all those trades will execute. If I come to my terminal, you realize I've taken more than 10 positions on this trade alone. If I want to close all of it, I simply just hit on the icon up here. On the three dots you have up here, I simply just hit on this icon, close all positions, then everything is closed. If you need any help setting up your trading platform, setting up your MT5, setting up your XNES, if you need help verifying your XNES accounts, if the whole process is a bit cumbersome for you and you need help, I'll actually leave my handle in the description. You can easily reach out to me on Instagram, on Twitter, on Telegram, and I'll take you through the process. You can also just create your account with my recommended broker, fund it, and then hit me up and I'll add you to my VIP for free. In the beginning, you realized I told you you needed a reliable broker, you need a trading platform, and then you need an analysis platform. Your analysis platform is the TradingView I helped you set up. Your trading platform is the MT5 we just downloaded, and then your broker is the website I just showed you with a link in my description. It takes you straight to the website so you can go through the process of creating your accounts, verifying, funding it, and then you can simply just start trading from there, because I'll now just add you to my VIP, or you just join my community and you just take my trades for free and then you start making some money for yourself whilst you are learning. If you want me to keep making more videos which will help and then guide your journey as a beginner in Forex trading, you know what to do. Simply just like this video and then share it to as many traders as possible. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and then hit my notification bell so you get notified anytime I go live or drop a video on YouTube. Also want to keep up with me on my socials: KOMMONFOREX on Instagram, KOMMONFOREX on Telegram, KOMMONFOREX on Twitter, KOMMONFOREX on TikTok as well. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I have more amazing videos coming up. See you in the next video.